Well, beautiful day outside, semi-cloudy, but still beautiful. I thought today I'd show you, I made up a little fire kit. I had this pouch that I had used as the EDC pouch before, and it was empty, and I have all these supplies, so I thought, why not make a large fire kit? Canadian Prepper kind of inspired me with his, and I thought I'll keep this in my vehicle kit just in case, because living in Michigan in the winter, heat could save your life. So fire kit pretty important. But also it's really a lot of fun when my grandchildren come over and we build different fires and I show them how to do it. So here's the outside of the fire kit. I just have nothing inside this pouch and I just have this morale patch on. So let's open it up and see what's in it. Okay. Right here in the middle, we have some Procamptek Ultimate Fire Tinder. This stuff is pretty dang amazing. It is waterproof, wind resistant, fast ignition. Looks like this. I'm not opening the package, but trust me, watch some videos on it. It's absolutely amazing. As it says, it stays burning in storm level conditions. And we'll go on this side next. So here, yep, it's a Bic. There we go. And that little bit extra here can be nice when you're making a fire. And of course, ferro rod and striker. But over here you'll see it is called Speedy Sharp, and yes, it's for sharpening knives, but this end nice and sharp. Love using this with a ferro rod. Get back on. And right here, just what you strike matches on. Now underneath, you can see it poking out here. This is live fire. Here you can see inside. Nice and compact case. Put that back. Right next to that, we have a little live fire. Same thing. Underneath here, okay, we have strike anywhere matches and stormproof matches. So we've got both. And when you unwrap the foil, there's 3 of these in here. It has a match with candle wax all around it. So this lights really, really well also. Put this back together. And that's it in these pouches. However, up here we have a foil pan. I mean, you get the idea. I could open the whole thing, but this is great for starting a fire, especially if it's in snow conditions. So I always keep one of these. And this is a heavy duty pan. And behind that, in this Ziplock bag, just have, let's see, open it up. So we have some instructions. I don't know if you can see them here, but it's on site selection preparation, how to build a fire, types of fires such as teepee or cross stitch or star, log cabin, reflector or lean-to fire, and how to make a bigger one like a straight firewall or L-shaped firewall, how to build a campfire that will last through the night, how to make a Dakota fire hole, and I always like this from Boy Scouts, how to build a campfire, how to figure out how much tinder, kindling, and fuel you need. And then types of campfires, you know, what are they good for? The log cabin fire produces a lot of heat, perfect for cooking food and low maintenance, and it lasts a long time. And the lean-to is great against light rain, but less heat. And the bag that it comes in, the Ziploc bag, could be used to collect tinder. Put that back here. Okay, and let's kind of look at the other side here. We'll come back to this in a minute. Same with this. But right here, wow, this is a neat little lighter, one of those arc lighters. You open it like this. And probably can't even see it, but it is going. You can see it spark now. Yep. It's a neat little lighter. But of course you got to keep it charged. I have it right here with its charging cable. Beneath that, before I put it back, I just have a knife. It's a nice large blade. It is Elk Ridge Ballistic. It's a heavy knife. Put that back. Put back our little arc lighter. Okay. Next to it, I've got some magnesium capsules. There they are. These are a lot of fun. Can start a fire great in the winter or anytime. And here's a little, oops, came right open, fire starting kit. We got tinder here, Badass B fire starters, I think. And then in here, okay, you all know what this is, I think. Yep. So nice and compact if you need to blow, keep your fire going, or starting a fire, especially with charcoal or something like that. Comes in really handy. And of course, a ferro rod. It all fits nice in this little tube. Put that back. And you know what this is? That's right, nice piece of Fatwood. And this is Fatwood too. This is called Dragonfire Tinderbox. Really easy to fit in your kit. And then behind here, so here it is. I gotta open it. Okay, here it is open. Here's your little mirror. Comes with a little leaf tender and your little hook. And let me show you how it works. And this is the Tinder Hotbox Solar Fire Starter. Pretty neat. So in this waterproof sack, got this foil bundle. And I think you can get the idea. It is the cotton petroleum jelly fire starters, which my grandson loves to use with his ferro rod. Then we have some jute wine that I coated in wax and put it on this bobbin. Great for starting fires. And I've included this, what are those, the Evermatch or whatever, I can't remember the name. I mean, I've had this forever, and believe it or not, see the sparks? Oh. Yep, still works. This is just a regular pencil sharpener, but it can give you regular pieces of tinder. So you can use your pencil sharpener, see, making some nice little tinder. It really works well. Just want to make sure you have a dry twig when you start it. And last, we have some guitar picks. And I learned about this from a Creek Stewart video, but they work great to make a fire. One more thing I forgot. I have this rubber band and yeah. Okay, it's a really big wet sack, but it would be great for picking up wood and carrying it to a campfire. And I had the room, so why not? Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my little fire kit, and I hope it inspires you to make your own fire kit. As always, please subscribe and share the knowledge.